Battlefield 2042 is an upcoming first-person shooter video game developed by DICE and published by Electronic Arts. It is the 17th installment in the Battlefield series and the successor to 2018's Battlefield v. The game is scheduled to be released on November 19, 2021, for Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One, and Xbox Series X and Series S. Unlike recent Battlefield games, Battlefield 2042 will be solely multiplayer and will not have a single-player campaign. It will feature cross-platform play, a first in the series. Similar to its predecessors, Battlefield 2042 is a multiplayer-focused first-person shooter. As the game is set in the near future, it features futuristic weapons and gadgets like deployable turrets and drones, as well as vehicles that players can commandeer. Players can now request a vehicle airdrop to any location. The game also introduces a new plus system which allows players to customize their weapons on the spot. The class system was significantly overhauled. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.